Hi splendid lovers, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make this yummy red velvet puff puff. So stay tuned, let's get started. First, you want to sieve your flour into a bowl. Please check the description box for measurements. After sieving your flour, you are going to add in your powdered milk. Next, you will go in with your sugar. Then add your yeast. Please be sure that your yeast is very active. Now go in with your salt. Add your cocoa powder. Run it through a sieve to remove the lumps. Get a whisk to mix everything up nicely. Remember, we are making red velvet puff puff, right? So now you need to add your red food coloring. So like I said, check the description box for the measurement. So you are going to give it another mix. Ensure to mix all your dry ingredients properly before introducing your water. So once you have that nicely incorporated, you are going to introduce your water. I always like to add my water bit by bit, so I can end up with the perfect dough or mixture I want to achieve. So this is the consistency of batter you want to achieve. Okay, just make sure you mix your puff puff batter very well, and once that is ready, get a cling film and cover it up, okay, for it to double in size. So you can give your batter 30 to 45 minutes for it to double in size. It actually depends on how the temperature of your weather is. You are going to heat up some oil. At this point, my puff puff batter has doubled in size, so I just proceeded to scoop them into my hot oil. You can see the way I am scooping this puff puff batter into the oil. So watch closely and you are going to achieve the perfect round puff puff balls. Frying red velvet puff puff can be tricky, so you want to pay close attention, okay? Once you notice that the vibrant red balls begin to dim a bit, just know that your puff puff is ready. Take it out of the oil immediately, okay? Because you still want to maintain that very vibrant, shiny looking puff puff ball. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. For now, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay safe. Bye bye.